I'm Neely, and in this video, we're going to place a button that links to another page on our WordPress website. These are great to put on every page to help drive your visitors to the places you want them to go. Start on the WordPress dashboard. In previous videos, we have talked about working with pages and posts. In both instances, we are using the block editor, so the steps will be the same. The only thing we need to determine is where we want to put the button, in a blog post or a static page. Click on Pages. On my home page, I've decided to add a Contact Us button at the very bottom. Hover over the home page and choose Edit. I'm scrolling down to the bottom of the page after hitting the plus icon. The block option pops up. Type buttons and choose that option. We have a ton of options when this block is selected. Above the block, we can adjust the alignment, spacing, and size of the button. You can add a little animation if we want. On the right side panel, there are more options for button colors and shapes. It's fully customizable, so make the button however you want. I'm going to leave it as default and type in my text, Contact Us. Above the button is this link icon. This is where we can add the navigation. Click the link icon and start typing the page you want to link to. For this example, we're using Contact. When it appears in the dropdown, select the page. You can use this toggle to have the page open in a new window, but I don't want to do that. Now there are options to edit the URL or unlink it. Up on the right top corner, you can choose Preview if you want to test it out before you commit, but I feel good about the button, so I decided to click Publish. Now if we go back to our dashboard and click Pages again, we can view the home page we just added the button to. Clicking the Contact Us button takes us to the right page. It works. You can create buttons anywhere you like. Make a page for visitors to subscribe to your email list and add buttons to that page on other pages if that's what you want them to do. Or maybe a link to your online store. If you would like to learn more, check out the other WordPress tutorial videos for more tips.